What's up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. If I'm looking sick, it's because I have the cold, but I'm still going to get my hair done because my anniversary is coming up. We're going on a little trip or whatever. We're gonna make this an anniversary trip, even if it's really a graduation trip, but we try to make it an anniversary trip, you know, killing two birds with one stone. So I am using some leftover braids that I have. And I had these cute little ombre braids. I had these. So I'm going to be putting these to the ends, and I have 1B, and I'm going to be using 1B in the root. So I'm going to be doing some jumbo boho braids. So I have like some curly pieces. I've never used the curly pieces before. My hairstylist has put the curly pieces in for me before, but I've never used it personally. So the intent is to do 6 in the back, 4 on each side. So a total of 14 braids. That's my plan. I don't have all day. I'm really trying to get this style looking cute, but not taking a lot of time. So I'm going to prep my hair and then I'll show you what the prep looks like, okay? Oh, I forgot to let y'all know all the items that I'm using. So I'm using 2 packs of braids, pre-stretch hair. It could be Ghana, pre-stretch hair, it doesn't matter. I'm mixing all the leftovers anyways. So any pre-stretch braids in your preferred length. I have my little rat tail comb. I actually have 2 of them with this so I could, you know, part it properly. Have some jam, and I have my scissors, not the right scissors, but that's what I'm working with. I have my edge boosters for my hair. I have my brush to detangle my hair. I have some rubber bands for the end. And I have my favorite Indian hemp hair grease for my scalp. And I think that's about it. And also some ice cold water because your girl about to work hard, okay? All right, so I've already prepped my hair kinda. I'm just left to detangle this section. So once I detangle this section, I'm going to twist it down and I'm going to start with the front. This style should be like super quick, like for real. It shouldn't take me long because I'm doing them so big. So once I detangle this section, my hair is all prepared. So this is my preparation for braiding my hair. I have my hair in 4. Remember I told you I'm going to be doing 6 in the back and 4 in the front. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. That's the plan. So I already have my hair all prepared. Let me show you. Excuse all the stuff on my, excuse all the stuff. But I put the braids in sections, and then the ends that I'm going to make with the ombre color, I put them on the bottom. So yeah, so I have a total of 14 in these sections, and then I have the ombre hair. Right here, I'm just gonna show you how I add the hair. So I go ahead and I add some jam to my edges and the roots of my hair, and I smooth it out a little bit. And just adding the hair exactly how I add it, it's not going to make a knot in the hair. It's actually going to braid it like knotless without having to start the braid off with your own hair and then feed it in. So this method, yes, you still feed it in as you keep braiding, but you're not required to start off with your own hair, and the braid still appears knotless. So I go ahead and I separate the hair into 2 parts, and one part is bigger and the other part is smaller because I'm going to fold it and make 3 pieces like this. And then I'm going to separate my hair into 3 parts, and you can repeat you can watch this section over as much as you need to so that you can understand how I add the hair. So I just go ahead, separate my hair into 3 parts, and then I start to braid. And depending on how long you want the braid to be or how thick you want the braid to be, you will add a few more pieces. For this style, I did want the braids to be a little lengthy, and I am adding the ombre tips. So I continued adding some hair. I probably added like 3 pieces after this. So further on in the video, I'm going to show you how to add the curly pieces to form the boho braid. So stay tuned. I begin to Okay, I didn't do a good job showing how I added the boho hair for this braid, but I'm going to do a better job in the next one. So I kind of stopped like right here where the ombre hair kind of starts. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a rubber band because I'm going to be curling the ends. And then I'm going to begin the next one. Okay, I'm going to attempt to show you the adding of the boho hair, because I have been looking for a video that shows exactly how to do it for the longest while, but they kind of just rushed through it. So gonna show you as soon as I add this hair in. Okay, so have a little piece of the hair. So I'm going to bend it downwards, like into the hair, and I'm going to leave the piece out like so. So kind of put it away and braid the hair down. Keep going. I'm going to add another piece kind of like lower down. Probably about here. So here's the piece. I thought it was a little weird. Like, how are they adding this hair in? It's so weird. So you just put it in downwards, face it downward. Put it away and just continue braiding like regular. See? It's not too bad, is it? Pretty simple. It's so special. How it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know, I'm not for sure. I begin to So I didn't get to record the final look, but I did include some clips with this style at the end of the video. This is how it's looking, and I just remained 3 more braids to complete in this clip. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I do appreciate you watching this video. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye.